Hey guys, welcome back again. So today we are going to unbox the Lenovo X380 Yoga series laptop. This is the ThinkPad version and let's start doing the unboxing. First part, this is the charger. So in this you have charger. So this is again the old kind of charger with this kind of port. Next we have this Ethernet cable adapter. So this laptop is not going to connect to your normal network cable, so it has to be converted to a smaller one. Then finally you have the laptop. Let me show you the converter here for this. So this piece of it, so this here is the normal network wire which will go here, and this has to be removed, and this will go in with your network port. This smaller one, it should go in here. So this is the way it will work. So in the box you will also get the user manual and web blocker sticker. This you can keep aside. So coming to the laptop, so this is the build is nice, and if you look at the ports here, you have an HDMI port. This is your USB 3.0, and this is the memory card you can directly put in here, and the 3.5 mm jack. Also you have the active touchpad pen, and the power switch is here. So this is your power switch. It's not in the front as in the usual T series laptops. Coming to the left hand side, you have the network point here and the USB cable and the power adapter port. Coming to the back side, so this is the place where the fan is and the heat gets generated. So this is one kind of people who are used to keeping the laptops on their lap, so this is a little uncomfortable, so it will actually try to heat your lap. Other things, let me just switch it on. So I have switched on the device. Let me just fold this, so this becomes like this. It's a yoga tablet kind of. This is 360-degree movable. So let me come and show you the tech specs here. So the processor is up to 8th generation Intel Core i7 it can support. OS details, the display is 13.3 inch, touchscreen standard, graphics 620 Ultra HD, the camera 720p. The memory is up to 16 GB. So the thing is that it can support either 8 or 16 GB, and it is an onboard memory, so you need to actually plan in advance, and the upgradation is the manual upgradation is not possible. It's an onboard memory, so either you get a 8 GB version or a 16 GB version. Storage, it can support till 1 terabyte, battery 15 watts, and the backup time is 12.5 hours. Audio is Dolby, and for the security you have a fingerprint reader, IR camera, and the other stuffs, the normal stuffs. The ports, as I mentioned, is 2 USB 3.1 generation, which is always on, and there is one USB 3.1 generation type C, and the Thunderbolt 3.0 is also there. Dimension is mentioned like this, and the weight is 1.4. so these are the specifications, and these all can be configured. So currently this one is i5 processor, and other details you can see for this ThinkPad. The graphics is again 620. Memory for this is 16 GB. This is what is present in this laptop. Fingerprint reader is there, ThinkPad pen, you can see I am using that. The hard drive it supports is 1 terabyte it can support. and other normal stuffs. So with respect to performance, I've used for a few days and looks to be pretty nice. Only thing what I noticed is the fan keeps on running for quite a long time, and when you keep on your lap, so yeah, there is a little bit of discomfort. So with respect to the touch, how the active pen works, let me try to draw something and see the smoothness and the sensitivity, how it works. So this looks to be nicely picking up, quite sensitive. Maybe an artist can actually use it. So good for drawing. This seems to be nicely working for the drawing aspects also. So with respect to the thickness of this laptop, so if you see this thickness and compared to the other laptops like the T series, T40 series, T50 series, so if you can see the difference here, this is the difference. It's quite smaller also, and quite thinner also. And if you want to compare with the previous generation, maybe like 2008 or 10 series laptops, so this one, if you see, this was what it was in 2008 and 10, and then now 2018 you have laptops like this. So lot of advancements, lot of changes in the laptops. See the difference, the thickness and the size. So that's all from me for this video. See you in the next video.